As you know, I'm Bharti. Тимур, пустите. Это что слишком высоко сейчас у вас. Нормально? Дышать нормально?
Да.
Timur, turn on spine. Turn. It's your turn. So today, I will show again my very unique, but very what we can say popular Indian head massage. Let's do. Uh, Timur's favorite oil.
Yes.
As always, so many people ask which oil. This is Navratan with lots of herbs, and it has cooling effect, and it we can say treatment oil also give lots of benefits. And little bit I will use amla oil. It's transparent with vitamin E. So everyone, let's enjoy head massage. In head massage, actually it's not matter how you're doing, because if you know so many techniques, it's your game to play. It's your art how you want to draw, so better to know steps and how you will use with steps. It will depend on you, and it will depend also what type of treatment you want to give to the persons. It can be so many, so many steps of head massage. So whenever you will see my, maybe some steps can be similar. In head massage, mostly it is different.
When I ask some massage therapists if they do head massage or not, they sometimes tell me, like, there's nothing to massage in the head.
That is, maybe there is lack in them. They don't know how to do head massage.
Very few muscles.
Yes,
No need to.
It is the most important. I don't know. I consider head massage, or head is the most important organ, or most important place in our body, because it is the control of everything. So yes, there is no big muscles here, but there is so many nerves which is situated here. There is so many vessels, so many meridian which control whole body. So it is not yes, I don't like that hard and fast, so much hard head massage is not good for hair and as well as scalp. But massage is one of the best remedy against headache, against migraine, against hair fall, against insomnia, against dandruff, hair, so many actually. This is one of the most important massage. Ask Indians. They will tell you so many different types of massage they will do, and they will, we can say, they will satisfy you at least with their massage, and you will feel relaxed. So today I will little bit explain, or I will tell you about one oil remedy which is against early aging of hair, like gray hair or hair fall or dandruff. So we continue. Stay with us. Don't go anywhere.
Yes, I have gray hair already.
It's not, it's so many discussion about that he is getting old. It is not nowadays, because of pollution, because of ecology, because of the food that we eating. It has so much preservative, it has so much chemical, it has so much harmful things which is not good for our health. So that's why all this gray hair aging, this is nowadays so much, it is a big problem nowadays in young generation, because this is, if we are getting early age, we are getting like gray hair, it is we will feel shy, we will lose our confidence. It can be because of changing of water, it can be food. Pollution is the one of the biggest, and food is the one of the biggest problem of all these problems.
In Russia, we have a proverb. It sounds like gray hair make men more handsome, something like this.
No, but it will he will be handsome. He will look handsome according to the like after 50, after 45 he's starting getting. But no, this I told you in young generation also, it is a big problem of gray hair. Of course, I like in Russia that men they don't color their hair at least. They don't feel shy to show if they have gray hair. That is a good sign. In India, actually, I don't know before, but in India, we're putting henna color also nowadays for men. But it's okay how they want to, how they feel confident, they can do.
My father had the same issue. He started to have gray hair.
Same age?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, it's okay.
Maybe even earlier. I don't know.
Yeah, this I told you, it can be like 18, it can be nowadays even children 10 to 11 years because of all these problems. There is also what we call say, I forget this chemical which is used to clean the water. It is very yes,
Chlor.
chlor something oxide or something. So when it is not good for the hair because 91 more than 90% of hair consists protein. It's hair what we can say made of protein 90%. And this chlor in Russian, I don't know in English. Chloric side is what yeah, something like that. So it is splitting or it is damaging protein in our hair. That's why hair fall, and that's why gray hair and all these things started in early age also. Better who can afford. If they don't want, they can use filtered, what we can say, or a water, or not direct. They can use some filtering instrument or filtering on their shower. They can use, so it will come. And better to use shampoo without sulfur. So we are coming to the massage. Normal, yes, like this. This is very important area. Timur is thin, so we can feel his bone easily. So points also easily can find. Timo, relax, relax, leave. Important area in every massage, I told this one. Bone. If you want to do massage according to points or murmur points, it's better to do always clockwise than anti-clockwise. You like this, you are activating energy and then you are opening the source of energy. Who have poor memory, this is the place, Sahasrara. Here it is. We can put 2 times morning or evening before sleep, we can put some drops of oil. Coconut oil is good, and or if you have some Indian hair oil also, you can put some drops and then little bit massage like this, and then leave it for the whole night like this. Your pressure little bit like pressurize little bit, not so hard. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then leave, or clockwise. Or infinity, like 8 can do. Timur, is it okay or hard? Is it
Yes,
okay?
it's okay. In Dubai, I was in barber shop and there was a Pakistani barber and he did something like this, but 10 times more harder. I don't know.
No, I told you, people are getting crazy in doing hard massage for the head there. I think that they will go in the but main system is that you can just stimulate vessels, and because there is so many vessels, yes, so that's why they circulate blood circulate after massage nicely, but is not I don't know, I never do, and I never recommend do so much hard massage. Some steps also can be looks very hard, but it's not hard. You can ask Timur.
Not hard.
No, some people like hair cracking or what they're going. It's very dangerous actually. It's going to the baldness only. Just don't do hair cracks because they are damaging the follicle of hair, and it is not good. And so many nowadays trend is going on Instagram. I can see now then shorts in YouTube also that, oh, I don't do oiling. Oiling is not good for hair and all. I can't understand how the oiling become the damaging property for the hair. It is not damaging. People who want to, what we can say, they want to, what we can say, advertise their shampoo or something else, they are doing this same, they are they are saying this type of rubbish thing which is don't have any meaning. But how the oil can be damaging element for hair? It is not. Oiling is good. Yeah, people who have oily texture, I will tell a little bit explain about dry hair. Dry hair is like, I have dry texture of hair. It is like that if you washing your hair and you can, I can be stay like 1 week, I don't need to wash every day because my hair is remaining not dirty, it's clean all the time. And what is oily hair? Oily is like that you wash your hair, and after 2 days or after one day it become like you put oil in them. That's it's oiling texture, that so much oil coming out from the hair. Yes, but it can be cause some people who washing their hair with the hot water. Hot water is not good for hair. You should wash warm or room temperature hair, especially if you don't want to be like oily hair. You don't want to have problem with hair. You don't want to have problem with scalp. Don't wash with hot water. Never. It is not good for brain also. I can say that you can get like blood pressure problem also. Just wash with room temperature or little bit lukewarm water, not hot. Yes, of course it looks so nice when we use very warm water. Warm is good, not the hot. This is muscle like this here. You can just do this and you will feel this here. It is working also nicely. It's help if you have headache. You will just massage like this, how to feel. You can do very slowly also. And push like this. If you have headache, somebody have, so you just do like this and then pull down, 3-4 times pull down from both sides. On this side also pull down, and the center. Some people can get problem like they will feel like ear pain, but ear is normal. It can be sometime it can be problem with jawbone here, because this sometimes stuck here and it can get into the ear pain. And if you will go to the doctor, they will tell ear is normal, nothing is there. So better to press this point here. Here is one point, and here in the back side this. It's also good to lose these muscles, and slowly it can help to reduce ear pain.
These are painful points.
Yes.
Really painful.
This here. And sometimes it can stuck also. People complain that, oh, my jaw stuck, I was unable to. And then sometimes ear problem is not because of ear, it can be because of another area of face. So I was telling that I will tell you one recipe. Oiling, you can have organic mustard oil, like 200 grams. Or if you don't have mustard oil, you can use organic coconut oil. This in India, I don't know. I will. You can just find. I will tell you in Hindi. Bhringraj. Bhringraj is very good herbs, very beneficial herb. Bhringraj. It's like it's flower like ramashka, ramashka flower. Every time I am getting sometimes problem to remember English words. You can it looks like ramashka, but it's not ramashka. It's bhringraj, you can say, or jata, and amla fruit, dry amla, and fenugreek seed. Last time I also told about fenugreek. Fenugreek seed is the very very important ingredient. So you can put all these amla, bhringraj, and fenugreek seeds. Curry leaves also you can, if you have dry curry leaves or green curry leaves, you can add in this coconut or mustard oil. 20 grams every herbs you have to take, and you can put in some glass jar or some glass bottle, not plastic, because if you will put oil in plastic, it will absorb plastic, chemical quality in this oil also. So better to put in glass bottle or a glass jar. You can put all these ingredients inside the oil and put it in the sun for 10 days, and then after 10 days just use a iron kadhai or iron pan, or put this oil in this, and on very very low flame you put the oil for 10-15 minutes. Let it like little bit boil, but not on high flame. Never do on high flame, just on sim, and then stir it and put it, let it cool down, and then you can use this oil every day. Some drops of oil every day you can use, or you can use like 6 months every day. Maybe first month you can use every day, then second month you can use at least after 1 day, or then in 3 months you can use like 2-3 times a week. In the night, it's good to put in the night, because it will stay in here, and in the morning you can wash with the shampoo without sulfate. And like this, this is good for the gray hair. People who has early gray aging of hair, it can be stopped also. And who has dandruff, less hair growth, hair fall, all this can be cured by, I can't say that this is very magical oil in one, through 2 days you do, or 1 week you do, or 1 month you do, and you will get all your hair black, and you will get lots of hair. It is not like that, all understand. It is not like that. You have to do for 6 months, maybe more, 6 months, and of course we will see results, and 2-3 months already you will see the results. But of course it will not help like people is normal aging, like normal gray hair, like after 50 or after 45, it will less help, but it will good hair growth, and it will not let another hair to be grow earlier. But to like 20-30 before, no, is there are people getting hair, it will help. After maybe you will see that after 1 year viewers have lots of white hair, and suddenly after 1 year your hair become your normal hair without any gray hair. That will be magic. And of course nowadays stress everywhere. We can't be stress free all the time, but we should try our best to don't have stress. And head massage, oiling for the hair, it will help. Pressure on my pressure. Don't pressure with your body, pressure with head. Everybody, we can do also by ourselves. Now pressure here a little bit. Mm-hmm. On this side. If person have tightness in neck and shoulder area and head, this type of stretching very help, and we can do ourselves also. Like the more sitting, we can put, you can put like this, a little pressure like this. Everyone can do. We need to pressurize not by the whole body. Now you can sit, relax, and now pressure on the back side, on my head, on my hand. And this, this will open all this will flow, blood will flow very nicely, and slowly this area will open, and your spasm will be finished after, if you will do many times, like 3-4 times in a day. Relax again. Relax. Pressure on head. Relax. Pressure here. By head. Relax. So this type of small exercise for good blood circulation in our neck and shoulder area is also good, and everybody can sit in front or sit on the chair, and everybody can do this. So how do you feel, Timur?
Amazing. Thank you very much. It was as good as always.
But different.
Yes.
Because I'm sorry, because I told I love to do massage, and if you love your profession, you can do experiment in good way, of course, not like people want to beat your head, and it gives uh, every time I can't do all the time, because how I feel, how the person will get into massage, and I can it better to know all types of steps. It is good to learn. You can learn. If you think that you are so much big professional, no, no, no. Learning, there is no age for learn. You can learn for a smile child, you can learn from 80-year-old person, you can learn from your younger than you. If you love your profession, there is no time of learning, or there is no limitation in learning. So learn. I show you today many things. Hope all you will enjoy uh, Timur's head massage, because I can say that he is doing very hard job, guys. You don't know how much this difficult to give the people what they will like, because everyone is running behind, this type of things to do. But Timur, maladies. So hope you all will enjoy. Be healthy, be safe, be stress free.